So now let's see how we can work around with colors and background options inside of WordPress. So for that, I'm going to go to appearance right here, and then I'm going to go to customize. And once you go ahead and do that, then you can see that I have these particular sections right here which has a certain color. So let's say I want to go ahead and change around the color and background option for this particular website. In that case, you can go around onto colors and backgrounds, and here you can see that I can go ahead and choose, let's say for example, different colors right here, just like this. So you can see that as I click on it, you can change the color of this particular button right here, just like this. Similarly, I have this color and I can simply change it, and you can see that it affects out the text right here, and choose around this one. This actually affects out the background, as you can see right here. So you can see that I can select out different colors right here and simply choose, and then that particular color will be replaced out accordingly right here, just like this. So this is what you can do, and you can also go ahead and choose a palette, as you can see right here. Simply click on the color palette, and that particular color palette will be applied. And once you're happy with the color effect that you have applied, you can simply go ahead and click on save changes, and what happens is that the changes will get saved out, and that'll become your new look for the website. So that is how you can work around with changing of colors and backgrounds inside of wordpress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.